Most of the people think that clothes look good on because of body type, color, or brand, which is true but are not the major factors. One of the major factors that contributes in a cloth looking good or bad on yourself is proportions, how you divided clothes on yourself, not your weight or not your height. So, if you ever tried a trendy cloth item on yourself but you still felt off about it, then this video is definitely for you. And stay tuned to know more about body proportions and how to divide your clothes on yourself perfectly so that you do not look bad in any outfit at all, or you do not underestimate your height or weight or anything else about yourself. Hey guys, this is Ishvita, your personal fashion stylist. So, without further ado, let's get into the video and learn about proportions more. So, whenever I am talking about proportions, it's not too much complicated for anyone. Is just about balancing your clothes, not about perfect body or something like that. Our body is divided into different sections, as we all know, that is upper body, lower body, torso, legs, shoulders, and neck. And we just need to learn how to balance them, and that's it. So let us hop into our rule number one, which is the most important rule, and it fixes the 70% of outfit problems easily without any extra effort into it. So it is like 1 by 3 or 2 by 3 outfit, dividing them into 1 by 3 or 2 by 3. For example, you are not supposed to wear equal length of top and bottoms. Like you should not divide it by 50-50. Either keep crop top and high waisted bottom, which is longer legs and short upper part. Then this is point number one. Number two, you can either go for long top and fitted bottoms. You should avoid long top and high waisted jeans. No, all I'm talking about is just keep one part shorter and one part longer. So this is our rule number one, and it will solve most of the outfit problems. And I have tried it myself, and once you try it, you can't unsee it at all. Like I am obsessed with this rule. I do it 99% of the times. Coming to our next rule, oversized doesn't means unbalanced. Whenever you think of oversized clothes, do not compare it with unbalanced clothes. You just need to know how to balance it. Like if you are wearing an oversized upperwear, then pair it with a structured bottom and vice versa. Like if you are wearing an oversized baggy bottom, then wear a structured and defined upperwear, and you will look perfect. Like it will perfectly balance your body outfit, um, oversized and structured, and vice versa. You just need to learn the counterpoint. Talking about the next thing, if you are confused with the body types and you are unable to decide your outfit according to the body type, and if you find it too much confusing, then learn about proportions. They'll make things easier for you in short. So just learn where your legs start visually appears. Is your torso long or short? And start dressing or styling according to it, and it will make your life easier rather than confusing yourself in the body type. Okay, so with this much knowledge and rules, if you are still confused about body proportions and you just want to know about how can we clearly and easily decide is it balancing our whole look, then just ask yourself in the mirror that where does it cutting my look, my whole outfit is cutting where, like where does my outfit divide my body. And number two, is my one section looking taller, like torso or my legs. And number three, ask yourself, if I just change one outfit to something, wearing something longer like a top or a high waist jeans, then will it look more better? And if the answer is yes, then yes, you are slightly well unbalanced in your whole outfit. So try asking these questions to yourself, and just you will just learn it easily. Dhime dhime you will just get to know about it by yourself. You will just need to experiment it a little, and yeah, that's all for today. If you liked it, enjoyed it, and learned something about it, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such fashion tips and enhancing your styling looks. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टाटा।